Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fast forward in your YouTube TV. So if you want to fast forward a movie or a show that you're watching, so let me show you. For example, if I go to movies and open a movie, for example, I'm watching John Wick 3. So for example, if you're watching John Wick 3, the way to fast forward in your YouTube TV web is to simply click on this forward option. You can forward it for 15 seconds by clicking multiple times here, or you can click on the seeker bar and drag it to fast forward like this. So I can go to any part of the movie that I want to go and I can play it. So I hope this was helpful and this solved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.